Yo, what's good with y'all? So today we got another unboxing of the Kobe's. Now, if you watched my other video of the Phillies, go ahead check that out. But if you haven't, I'm just letting you guys know that they decided to drop all three Kobe's on what today is considered Mamba Day. Now, I really don't know why they called it Mamba Day because I thought we already had 8/24 as Mamba Day, but it's just Kobe's anniversary of his last game against Utah where he dropped 60 points, and they decided to drop all three of his quote-unquote most iconic Kobe shoes, which is definitely up for debate. You guys can let me know what you think is one of the most iconic Kobe shoes in the comment section below. But today we have the Venice Beach, and me personally, I really enjoyed how the way that they released this. Now, I'm not too fond of them dropping all three on the same day, but I do like how they kind of separated with like the different types of like limits. So when I mean by that is that the Italian camo was the most limited, and then we go to Philly, and then what I have right here in this box, the Venice Beaches, which were the most common. Now, the reason I say that I like this is because it showed a lot of people who were really fans, who were really supporting Kobe, and who was really doing it for the hype and things of that nature. Now, when I got these from Shoe Palace, and when I went, I got them at open. I had already won my raffle, but they were open slots, so not even everybody even put enough raffles to even fill the raffle position. So they had open pairs. You could literally go into the store when they open and do it as a first come first serve release, and there was maybe like 5 people who did this, so you could probably even went all the way to the afternoon and still got a pair of Kobe's. Now, I really like this because again, it really weeds out the bandwagon, the hype, and things of that nature. So if you don't like Kobe, it really shows, because this one, it was a lot of pairs. It was around 190,000 on sneakers, and so I can only imagine that's around maybe like 300,000 allocated worldwide, and that's kind of similar to a Jordan 4 release, which is fairly easy to get if you know what you're doing, right? And so for the people who always complain about, oh, Kobe's are just virtually impossible to get, well, if you truly want Kobe's, here they have a common Kobe that you can go ahead and get if you just put in some minimal groundwork, and then you have the more limited colorways like the Phillies and the Italian camos where it's up for grabs and it's really luck. And so I really do like that, especially with how they've been doing the other Kobe's